Let's go on YouTube.
We interrupt your computer for a woodpecker and dino error. They have to hide from a bully who's looking for them. As always, please don't turn off your computer, or they will get mad.
That's it. I'm just breaking the screen. How dare you broke the screen? Did I forget to mention this? But breaking the screen counter as a turn off. That's it. I'm just walking away. Walking away also counts as a turn off. Now you have one more chance. Leave the freaking computer alone. That's it. I'm just gonna play on my phone. Did we forget to mention this? But using your phone is not allowed no matter what error. Now you must enter the code. We're sorry, but that code is incorrect. The correct code was 483632. If you would have entered that code, you would have been safe. But no. You entered the wrong code. That's it. You're grounded for 3,132 years. Now we will crash your computer. Wow.